Koreans' tendency towards a preference for an attractive appearance. Part 2. Today's Koreans' superficial understanding. There are powerful ideas hidden behind the Hwarang society's preference for an attractive appearance. It was not that they valued an attractive appearance itself and dedicated much of their time and effort to enhancing their looks. It was just that their thought, culture, and lifestyle enabled them to not only tackle the crisis, but also enhance their looks. The roots of their thought could be found in the traditional Korean notion that there is a oneness of mind, body, and spirit, and that individuals, communities, and the nature are interdependent and inseparable from one another. But the distinction lies in their culture conceived as a way of fleshing out that thought. Their efforts to reflect that culture through lifestyle reaped big benefits in mental, physical, and spiritual health. It is not so much that an attractive appearance is worthy in itself, as that it is a sign of the sincere effort that one has been making to reflect that culture through lifestyle. With the passage of time, the Hwarang society seriously declined. What's behind the desire for an attractive appearance gradually receded from the Korean cultural memory as well. Korean people in the streets today have a superficial understanding of why they tend to have a greater preference for an attractive appearance than people in other countries. However, after languishing in obscurity for hundreds of years, the Hwarang society's thought, culture, and lifestyle have recently been rediscovered that celebrated the traditional Korean notions and philosophies. It's because the Hwarang society began to be seen as an inspiration and template for those looking for an exemplar of a way that you can live in safety and beauty even in these times of climate emergency.